how to make everyone can comment on your public posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can comment on your public posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and now go down. Here you will find followers and public content, and now just go down until you find public post comments and click public. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.